With my last video, many people were asking which hosting company I use for my own blog. So I wanted to, discuss in detail. The hosting company which I used is Hostinger, and in this video, I will try to discuss in detail regarding the cons and pros of Hostinger, why you should opt for Hostinger or why you should not, and in case if you ever plan to buy your hosting from Hostinger, there is a special discount link mentioned in the description of this video along with two of the finest coupon codes through which you can get additional discount on already running deals at Hostinger. So let's get started with Hostinger. Once you click on the link in the description, you will be landed over here. Now I'm going to tell you why I opted for Hostinger. What were the things I liked in Hostinger, and what were the cons or negatives of Hostinger. So discuss the first of the positives, and then I'm going to discuss regarding the negatives. The positives one included Hostinger provide you with 30 days money back guarantee with all of the plans. I like this thing. It is a great feature. In my opinion, I like it. That because you have a sense of trust, authenticity. That for any issues, you are covered with a 30 days money back guarantee. You can get a refund anytime if you want. If you look around on the reviews on the Trustpilot, the second opinion was Trustpilot reviews. If you look around on the reviews, see 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star, 4 star, 4 star, 4 star, 4 star, 4 star, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star. So these are the convincing reviews for me to offer hosting. It's not I'm not saying that all are the 5 star or 4 star reviews. They got 1 star reviews as well. You may see around they got 1 star reviews, good number, some 4 star, and the many are 5 stars. So this convinced me with Hostinger that they got ample of 5 star reviews, and they got 4.7 out of 5 rating, which is very good for any hosting company. So I like this thing, so which is why I thought that Hostinger can be a good choice to opt for. So which is why I opted for Hostinger. Another thing which I like is that it's being featured on almost all of the famous websites on the internet, including TechRadar, Wirecutter, Wired, CNET, Forbes, PC Collection. All of the famous websites says that Hostinger is a very good company. So this added my trust, this built my trust, because my own blog is my place where people can see about my services, my portfolio, and other things. And I wanted to to host it on a good hosting company. So which is why I wanted to look on all of the factors before opting for any hosting company. Hostinger also has Hostinger Horizons, through which you can create websites within minutes through their powerful AI builder. It's a one click. You just have to give the command. It's automatically going to create the website. So yeah, in opinion, yeah, this is a good feature. Also, I'm not using it all, but for those who do not have much knowledge, it may be a good feature for them. My blog is on the WordPress, and Hostinger supports WordPress, and that's what I like regarding hosting it. That Hostinger supports WordPress. So yeah, you can host WordPress website without complexity. Hostinger also has a migrate to Hostinger service. So in case if you are coming from another hosting company to Hostinger, Hostinger has a dedicated website migration service. You can migrate for free. Whether you want to host one website or 100, they are going to shift all of your website that to free of cost. So this was another thing, because I was using another hosting company and I wanted to shift to Hostinger. So I wanted to make sure that Hostinger has a migrate to Hostinger service, and now this service is completely free for anyone. So which is a great add-on. And scroll below, and these are some made with Hostinger websites. And now coming on the pros: 30 days money back guarantee, cancel anytime, WordPress support, migrate to Hostinger, 24/7 support are the pros. But let me discuss regarding the cons. What are the cons of all of these services? So in my opinion, there are few cons or minuses, which in other words, for Hostinger, which I thought that Hostinger is lacking around. So the first is lack of phone support. Anyone who wanted to call, unlike me, I'm not a call guy, I'm a message guy, so it's easy for me. But for those who want to do the call, it's a minus. Second thing is I felt that a lack of mailboxes per website are this number is below the par. Like 2 mailboxes per website in the premium plan is very low. In the business plan, 5 is low. I would have think that 10 could be a good. So these are two of the cons which I think that Hostinger has. But apart from this, in my last 5 years of experience, I never had an issue with Hostinger. So yeah, Hostinger is good. Now these are shared hosting plans, and all of the plans come with cancel anytime. You can select any. By default, Hostinger offers you 3 plans: premium, business, and cloud setup. All of the 3 plans are equally good with amazing features, but there are few changes, small things which you may need to keep in mind. For instance, with the premium plan, you can create up to 3 websites. You have SSD storage in that to 20 GB. With the business, you can get 50 GB, and you can host up to 50 websites. In the cloud, you can host up to 100 websites and 100 GB of NVMe storage. 10 mailboxes per website for free. So do the comparison of all the plan features functions. And if you ask my opinion, I use the premium plan for the first year, but I wanted to move other websites, which is why I shifted to pay a business plan, because I can host up to 50 websites, and it has NVMe storage, which is even faster than SSD storage, and it has business and cloud setup, has daily backups, while in the premium plan you can get weekly auto backups, and you can see daily on demand backups over here. So I wanted daily backups, and I wanted more storage and more websites to host it, which is why I moved to the business plan. Otherwise, the premium plan is also very good. Now, if you ask me that which plan you should opt for, my recommendation is to opt for the premium or the business plan. See as per your requirements. But if you click on the link in the description and use that of the coupon code, you can get as much as up to 89% discount. So yeah, this is only for those who are watching this video and want to grab Hostinger at an amazing deal. So make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code to get amazing discount. So with the coupon code, you're going to get 10% discount on all of the already running deals at Hostinger. So make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code. But before I show you this, I wanted to show you Hostinger control panel. So I'm going to log in and show you the Hostinger each panel. So let's wait a second and let me log in. So I am now in my account. You can see around. I can manage my WordPress over here. I can see my dashboard over here. I'm going to open the dashboard so you guys can see how I can manage with this. Hostinger has their own control panel, also known as H panel. You can see I can manage my websites over here, my domains over here. The Horizons AI tool is over here. Hostinger WordPress, performance plans, domain, security, files, databases. I can manage all of the things over here. But now I moved to the website because I wanted to show you the Hostinger auto installer. With auto installer, you can create or install CMS like WordPress, WooCommerce, Joomla, CMS or others with a click of a button. You guys have variety of payment methods to choose. You can choose any as per your convenience. We can choose any. And we can also migrate website. We can also copy website. You can see around the files manager, backup, everything is over here. My billings is over here. My other domains are over here. So yeah, the process is very easy and quick for anyone who want to manage on Hostinger control panel, also known as H panel. But for any issues, their support is going to cover with you. You can just raise a query with the support and it's automatically going to sort around if you guys feel any issues while managing the control panel. Now moving back, make sure to click on the link in the description and simply select the choose plan with any plan. And you are going to get additional 10% discount on any of the running deals right now at Hostinger. So this is exclusive for my audience. Once you click the choose plan, you may see you are being lighted over here. It's a special deal running right now. And my recommendation is to opt for the 48 months so you can save the maximum amount of money, because these prices won't appear again. These are special exclusive prices for my audience. So you can see that right now you are saving $739. So with also daily backup free. Now write your domain name over here. You can claim your free domain over here by writing it over here, or later on through the Hostinger control panel, also known as H panel. The free domain is only valid for the first year, so do with cautious. So you can select 2 years. I'm going to make it 1 year so I do not have to pay anything additional for this. You can see around over here. You can see that a special discount code is already loaded, but you can also use other one. Both of them are being mentioned in the description of this video along with the special discount link. Simply apply over here and you're gonna see that your price got a further discount. Now my own code is also available over here. You can use either of the coupon code. Just make sure to click on the link in the description and you can see that your price from 911 to 172 in addition to free domain, daily backup, free extra months hosting. So yeah, it's almost 89% on this plan, but this may fluctuate depending upon the plan you choose at Hostinger. After this, simply select the continue over here. And once you select the continue, you will move to the last part for Hostinger, where you just have to write your billing details over here. See your order summary for a quick revision. Any issues just being raised over here. After this, move on to the continue, the last part, and that is doing payment at Hostinger. Hostinger offers you variety of payment methods, guys. You can pay via card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate. So guys, you have variety of payment methods to choose. You can choose any as per your convenience, which makes it easy. So they offer you variety of payment methods. So you can, let's say I'm going with the credit card. Simply write the credit card details and simply select the submit payment. Once you select the submit payment, within few minutes, you are going to get an email from Hostinger with all of your account details. So yeah, just for a revision, click on the link in the description, use either of the coupon code and select your business plan as per your convenience. You can choose any Hostinger plan. This deal is valid on any plan. Make sure that you have clicked on the link in the description and enjoy your hosting from Hostinger. For a revision, I've been using it from the last 5 years on my own main blog and my experience so far is very good. I never had to face an issue. The support is very good, fast. The only downsides I have told you is the phone number. They do not have phone number, but I'm not a call person, so it's better for me. But those who are call persons, it's a minus. And the second minus is that they offer you limited number of emails per domain, which I think is not ideal for anyone, especially in the premium plan where you just have 2 mails per inbox per domain, which is quite less. But in the business plan, 5 emails per domain is good, so I'm going with that and I'm using it fine. So yeah, these are some minuses. Otherwise, it's an amazing company. 30 days of money back guarantee, H panel, fast servers, very good support, never had a downtime. My experience so far is very good and I highly recommend you to enjoy your hosting from Hostinger. Make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code to enjoy your hosting from Hostinger with this amazing deal. Good luck with your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.